you looking for the best blender for making healthy smoothies? Well, picking a new blender for yourself is a huge and time-consuming decision. To spare you this trouble, we have chosen 3 highest rated and considerably the best lightweight blenders for making smoothies that are also excellent value for money. So, let's start with number 3. For number 3, we have chosen Hamilton Personal Blender. This is the cheapest, light, and most portable blender on our list. With a 175-watt motor and stainless steel blades, it weighs only 2 pounds and costs less than $22. With this excellent blender, you will get components like 114 fluid ounce BPA-free portable jar and lid. If only this blender had a little more power in its motor, it could have become the best blender in the market. But for its size, it makes great smoothies and icy drinks. Also, this blender is relatively easier to clean and offers the best value for money. Currently, this product is available in black, blue, white, red, and raspberry color. This blender has ranked number 1 among Amazon's personal size blenders. Nearly 1 lakh positive reviews are given by verified users of this product on Amazon. If you just want to blend and go without carrying anything heavy, then this travel-friendly product would be the best choice. To check the price and to know more, click the link in the description. For number 2, we have chosen Nutribullet Personal Blender. This blender promises to be your original nutrient extractor. With its robust 600-watt motor and stainless steel blades, these powerful stainless steel extractor blades use cyclonic action to break down harsh ingredients, and the BPA-free plastic cups given with them are long-lasting and durable. This blender is built to North American and Canadian electrical standards, and comes in only gray color. With its stainless steel and plastic body material, Nutribullet only weighs 5.5 pounds. Its current users say that it can blend even a brick without a hiccup, which makes it quite evident that it can blend frozen fruits smoothly. Still, in some cases, a few customers complained that the rubber kept coming off. But except for this minor inconvenience, this product is a good deal at its current price range. To check the price and to know more, click the link in the description. Lastly, for number 1, we have chosen Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. This programmable blender comes in 1 compact and a simple variant with a black and silver color scheme. Its body is plastic, and the blade is made of stainless steel. This 700 watts personal blender weighs just 1 pound, and comes with 2 BPA-free 16 fluid ounce plastic cups, and 2 sips and seals. Surprisingly, at this price range, Shark Ninja has given pulse technology in it, and a 700-watt powerful motor is provided in this model. To emphasize Ninja Fit Blender's blending strength, Shark Ninja has promised that this blender can effortlessly crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients. Also, as per the reviews of verified Amazon customers, this blender can easily blend anything smoothly, and works effortlessly with frozen fruits and vegetables, without requiring much water to blend. In short, it is the best blending machine for making a vitamin and nutrient-packed icy smoothie. To check the price and to know more, click the link in the description. So, these are 3 best lightweight blenders that we chose from 1,000 options in the market. I hope this video has helped you to find your desired blender for making smoothies. If you have found this video helpful, then please subscribe, and to always catch all videos like this, please press the bell icon and stay with Cheapify. Also, check out the description to find the mentioned product links.